How to talk to BlueGPT about mental health. In order to do that, we need to use in here some AI assistant. You can click on this one or this one. And then from in here, you just need to search in here for mental health. So search in here for that. And then you should be able to see in here some expert that will help you with this case. So as you can see, you can search for that, or you can also just browse in here for some people that can help you with this case. So they also have in here a motivational coach, statistician, and a lot more for this case. However, if you want to talk to someone about mental health, you can head over and then just choose in here which one you want to use. We have in here our mental health advisor. Click on that. And then once you have clicked on that mental health advisor, it will help you to manage your emotions. So let's say what we're actually feeling right now. I say something like, I get distracted a lot of times and I panic when people are around. You can say what you want to say to this person, and then this will show you in here some tips and also some techniques that can help you to focus and then to stand out by yourself. So as you can see, they have some breathing exercises to limit caffeine and alcohol, special support, physical exercise, focus, and a lot more with this case. So you can say something or anything that you want out of your mind with this person. So that's how you talk to Blue GPT about mental health. Hope we help.